What's up, guys? I'm whispering because my son's in the living room and I don't know if they can hear me or not, but today's a little bit of a different video. A lot of you guys may be aware, but here recently there was an event called Sevens Day or something like that, I believe, where a bunch of RX-7s cruised New York, like through Times Square and stuff. Ever since my son's seen footage of that on YouTube, he's been just absolutely obsessed with FDs. Like he's completely fallen in love with them. Like that is like his dream car now, okay? I just so happen to have a friend who has an FD, and it's a really clean one. It's a very, very well kept example of an FD RX-7. So he's actually on his way right now. Basically, we're gonna surprise Braven with a ride in his dream car, dude. So a little bit of a different type of video. Honestly, I was just gonna do this, and then like last moment, I kind of decided, you know what, I should make a video on it. For memories, dog. Memories. And I enjoy bringing you guys along with this kind of stuff. So I told him to get dressed because he's going to be recorded here soon. So he knows something's up, but he doesn't know what's up. You know what I mean? So I need to go move the Altima out of the driveway so that he has somewhere to park, man. Can't have the FD out on the street on West Phoenix. So Braven's in here. I already told you guys that he he knows that there's something up, but he doesn't know what's up. So look on your face, bro.
I literally had no idea. No.
Any guesses?
Didn't even see this coming. Usually I see it coming, but I didn't see it coming. And you just
What's your guess?
Hold up.
I'm clearly building this up a little bit too much. They're under the impression this kid's getting a go-kart right now. You're not getting a go-kart right now, bro. You're getting a life experience, okay? A life experience. You're not receiving anything of physical value. You're just getting life experience.
life experience.
Yep, yeah. Life experience. So. All right, get out of my garage. Right. Get out. Actually, Hannah could stay.
Bye.
I could talk about it with Hannah. All right, come here. Go check the garage door, make sure you... Okay, have you noticed lately how much Braven has been obsessed with a certain car?
You're lying. You're that guy?
What guy?
The guy that has Braven's favorite car?
Yeah, man.
Is he gonna drive it?
Yeah.
It's here?
Do you know what kind of car it is?
Can I drive it?
Do you remember?
No.
No, you're not gonna drive it.
It's a Honda?
It's not a Honda. It's a Mazda RX-7.
For real?
Yeah.
Dang,
FD.
I wish I could drive a 350Z.
A 350Z.
Do that one for me next. Thanks. I mean, what were we talking about?
350Z. I probably know 1,000 people with 350Zs. I could probably line that up. Anybody in the Phoenix area who watches the channel, any subscribers have a cool 350Z that you wouldn't mind to let my daughter drive it in a parking lot, or in a parking lot or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyhow, waiting for him to pull up, and yeah, as soon as he gets here, we'll catch up with you guys.
Yeah, bro. Okay, go ahead. He's like, you're lying. What is that?
It's yours. Just kidding.
No, definitely not yours. But
Definitely
It's a
not.
nice car.
it's an RX-7, dude.
No.
He's probably like, I'm speechless, man.
It has like a sweater part. Not quite. Still look at it. What do you think? Does it look as cool in person as on YouTube?
Yeah. Took the breath out of me.
That's pissed off. Hoping it's change before shit. Pitch black.
Speechless?
So,
Because it times out.
he tries to.
Well, Jason's being nice enough to let us take his car for a drive. Like, I was gonna offer you to go for a ride with him, but he's gonna let me drive. Fuck, dude, this is gonna be my first time driving one. This dude just throws me the keys right now. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hopefully we don't wreck it.
Ooh, it's low. Safety first, bro.
That's normal? Holy shit. Jesus Christ.
It does that by itself?
Yeah.
So low. Perfect little handle right here.
My bad.
Did.
My bad. Just a little scrape.
He's like, yeah. He's fast.
Damn, man.
It's like so low to the ground.
Make sure it's in neutral. You're gonna be going into that. There you go. Left and right. Clutch is on the far left and has to be pressed like all the way to the floor. There you go. There it is. So what'd you think?
Awesome.
Do you want one now?
even more.
Jason, you want to give your Instagram a shout out or?
Yeah, it's at
Yo.
UK. It's right here on the
Yo.
screen right now.
Follow me. Follow. You know what? I'm gonna put it on there.
Okay, but does your car?
I'll put his Instagram right here, so you guys give him a follow, because it's most certainly a sexy ass car, and you know, just show him some love, dude, for coming out here and letting my son go for a cruise in like what is now his dream car. He wanted a 4-door EF, and now he wants an RX-7.
As soon as it stops recording.
That's pretty much it for today's video. Make sure to go to Jason's Instagram and follow that motherfucker and tell him what the fuck's your problem for doing donuts in front of my goddamn house, boy. Later.
Thank you.